Hey, good morning guys. What's going on? What is going on? It's Free Trading here with today's Trade Ideas video. It is Tuesday, the 6th of April. Let's get right into it, looking at a 15-minute chart of SPY. So, obviously the boys just cracked and crushed all-time highs yet again. Just a very strong move to the upside in yesterday's session. Clearly, there'll probably be a little bit of a pause in today's session. This morning, obviously, it's pretty much trading sideways, down like a half a point. In the pre-market session, still got another half hour before the boys step in at 8 a.m. But that being said, there's a very solid run to the upside. So expect some obviously profit taking across the board, and that may pull down the markets. Qs obviously printed higher as well, so it wouldn't be too surprised if we have a little bit of a pause. Maybe the second half of the session, but we will definitely look for a little bit of a quote-unquote pullback and quote-unquote obvious profit taking from the run-up for the past couple of sessions. So expect that to occur. Nonetheless, guys. Nonetheless, I mean, securities always print higher highs, higher lows, and flush to the downside when the market's pushing higher. So it's really irrelevant. You always want to look on individual securities, whether the market is pushing it higher, kind of wind behind the sails, or individual isolated incidents, negative catalysts will obviously bring the security down when the market's pushing higher. So keep that in mind. Use SPY as a benchmark to see what the overall flow. That being said, focus on what you are looking at, the catalysts that are driving the individual security you're looking at, and separate the two. Look a little deeper, guys. All right, think a little deeper. We're going into today's session with 6 on watch, a couple continuations, some new ones to the list. We have a couple from our weekly watch list as well. So let's get into what we're looking at for today's session, how we're going to trade it, or if this then that scenarios, and our game plan. All right, if obviously anything crosses our levels, we can put on some risk. Otherwise, we will be in all cash. Just waiting, guys. All right, let's get right into the details here.